Before metal was forged, before stone was carved, before concrete was poured, human hands touched clay. Not fireborn like iron, not ancient like granite, not rigid like limestone, but soft, malleable, alive with water. Clay does not resist humanity. It listens. This is the story of the Earth's most humble material, a rock so fine it remembers every fingerprint, and so powerful it carries the memory of civilization itself. Clay is not a single mineral. It is a family of microscopic minerals, formed through the slow destruction of other rocks. At its core, clay is geology in retreat, the end stage of rock breakdown. Clay particles are less than 2 micrometers in size that are so small they behave differently from all other sediments. They absorb water, they swell, they shrink, they bind. Clay is Earth reduced to its most intimate scale. The most important clay minerals include kaolinite, soft, white, non-swelling; illite, mica-like, moderate plasticity; smectite, montmorillonite, highly swelling, extremely reactive; chlorite, iron and magnesium-rich clays. These minerals are sheet silicates, built like stacked pages of a book. Water slips between those pages, that is why clay moves. Clay is born from weathering. Rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide, forming weak carbonic acid. That acid attacks rocks rich in feldspar and mica. Granite breaks down, basalt dissolves, mountains slowly decay. What remains is clay. Clay is not created by violence, but by patience. Millions of years of rain, heat, chemistry, and time. Clay accumulates in floodplains, river deltas, lake beds, continental shelves. Where water slows, clay settles. These environments are fertile, stable, predictable. They become cradles of civilization. Clay is the backbone of soil. Its microscopic surfaces hold water, nutrients, organic molecules. Clay makes agriculture possible. Without clay, crops fail. Water drains too fast. Nutrients wash away. Civilization begins where clay-rich soils accumulate. Early humans noticed clay instantly. Wet, it could be shaped; dry, it hardened; fired, it transformed forever. This was revolutionary. Clay became bowls, storage jars, cooking vessels. For the first time, humans could store food, water, and surplus. Clay made settlement possible. When clay is heated above 600 to 1000 degrees Celsius, something irreversible happens. Water locked inside the crystal structure is expelled, the mineral reorganizes, the clay becomes ceramic. It can never return to mud again. Fire gave clay memory. Pottery appears independently across the world. Africa, Mesopotamia, China, Mesoamerica. Pottery marks a turning point. Permanent homes, trade, identity, art. Entire cultures are named after clay styles. Broken pottery shards are how archaeologists read history. Clay remembers when humans forget. Clay became humanity's first data storage system. In Mesopotamia, wet clay tablets were inscribed with reed styluses. Cuneiform was born. Trade records, laws, myths, prayers. Clay preserved the first written thoughts of humanity. Sun-dried clay bricks built the first cities. Adobe mud brick rammed earth. Entire civilizations rose from soil. Even today, billions live in clay-based homes. Clay regulates temperature, absorbs moisture, breathes. It is sustainable architecture long before the word existed. Major clay deposits occur where weathering is intense, water is abundant, sedimentation is slow. Tropical regions produce thick clay layers. Ancient floodplains become industrial resources. Kaolin, pure, white clay, used in porcelain, paper, cosmetics. Ball clay, highly plastic, used in ceramics. Bentonite, swelling clay, used in drilling, sealing, medicine. Fire clay, heat resistant, used in furnaces and kilns. Each clay tells a geological story. Clay and ceramics. Ceramics are engineered clay, used in tiles, bricks, sanitary ware, electronics, spacecraft heat shields. Clay moves from Earth to orbit. Clay is everywhere. Cement, paint, rubber, plastics, pharmaceuticals. It thickens, stabilizes, purifies. Clay is the invisible backbone of industry. Bentonite and kaolin absorb toxins. Used in antidiarrheal medicines, detoxification, wound treatment. Clay heals as well as builds. Clay is both a resource and a hazard. Expansive clays swell with water, damaging roads, foundations, pipelines. Geotechnical engineers must understand clay or risk failure. Clay teaches humility. Clay controls groundwater movement. It seals aquifers, landfills, dams. Without clay, water escapes. Many creation myths describe humans formed from clay. Why? Because clay feels alive. It changes with touch, responds to water, hardens with fire. Clay mirrors humanity. Clay captures pollutants, heavy metals, nutrients. It regulates ecosystems. Clay is Earth's filter. Clay minerals preserve ancient climate signals. Scientists read rainfall history, temperature shifts, atmospheric changes. Clay is Earth's diary. Clay mining is low energy but widespread. Methods include open pits, hydraulic extraction, dry processing. Even small pits support global industries. Clay is abundant, recyclable, low carbon. As the world seeks sustainable materials, clay returns to prominence. Sometimes the future is ancient. Advanced ceramics made from clay minerals power smartphones, batteries, insulators, fiber optics. The digital world rests on ancient mud. Clay does not shout. It whispers. It holds fingerprints from 10,000 years ago. It remembers fires, floods, and footsteps. From soil to tablet, from pot to processor. Clay has carried humanity forward. Before iron was forged, before stone was shaped, humanity learned to speak through clay. If this journey through Earth's softest rock changed the way you see soil, pottery, and civilization, subscribe to the Geologic Lens. Because the history of humanity is written not only in stone and steel, but in clay.